Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on AI's role in enhancing schedule adherence in call centers. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence transforms workforce planning, real-time monitoring, and cost efficiency to achieve higher adherence levels and better service outcomes. From predictive analytics for accurate forecasting to AI-powered real-time monitoring and data-driven decision-making, we'll uncover how AI enables smarter staffing, proactive interventions, and optimized costs, all while improving agent productivity, customer satisfaction, and SLA compliance. By the end of this session, you'll see how AI seamlessly integrates intelligence and automation to make schedule adherence more predictable, efficient, and effective than ever before. Let's begin with AI in forecasting and workforce planning, the foundation for improved schedule adherence. Through predictive analytics, AI analyzes historical call and chat volumes, seasonal demand patterns, and even external factors like holidays or marketing campaigns. This enables highly accurate demand forecasting, helping leaders anticipate call spikes or quiet periods with precision. Next, dynamic scheduling powered by AI takes these forecasts and autogenerates optimized agent schedules. These schedules align staffing levels with real-time demand, ensuring the right number of agents are available at the right time, minimizing both overstaffing and understaffing risks. Finally, absenteeism prediction models help forecast potential no-shows or late logins. This allows proactive interventions such as real-time shift adjustments or standby resource allocation, preventing coverage gaps before they impact service levels. The impact is significant: better agent coverage, higher schedule adherence, and reduced labor costs, all achieved through AI-driven accuracy and efficiency. Next, let's explore AI-powered real-time monitoring, the game-changer for proactive schedule adherence management. Through live adherence dashboards, supervisors gain instant visibility into login times, breaks, and any deviations from planned schedules. This real-time tracking eliminates delays in detecting adherence issues. With automated alerts, AI sends proactive notifications directly to agents, reminding them about upcoming breaks or late logins before they become adherence violations. This keeps agents on track without constant manual oversight. Finally, anomaly detection capabilities allow AI to flag unusual patterns, such as recurring adherence drops during specific shifts or hours. This helps identify root causes early and take targeted action. The result? Faster interventions, fewer SLA breaches, and a more consistent customer experience thanks to early detection and real-time responsiveness. Now, let's talk about AI-driven intraday management, keeping operations balanced in real time. With dynamic intraday reforecasting, AI continuously analyzes actual call volumes and adjusts staffing schedules mid-shift. This ensures coverage always matches the latest demand patterns, even during unpredictable spikes. Next, intelligent break optimization automatically stagger agents' breaks so that service queues remain covered. This prevents multiple agents from being unavailable at the same time, reducing the risk of long wait times. The impact is clear: AI helps prevent service level drops, maintains realistic adherence targets, and ensures agent well-being by avoiding burnout during peak demand periods. This real-time adaptability transforms intraday management from reactive firefighting to proactive, data-driven control. Next, let's explore AI-powered scheduling flexibility, bringing together business needs and employee preferences. Through shift bidding systems, AI creates flexible, optimized schedules that consider agent preferences, time zone differences, and labor law compliance. This empowers employees with greater control over their schedules while maintaining operational efficiency. For work from home and hybrid teams, AI uses real-time monitoring of login data, idle time, and task completion to ensure adherence remains high regardless of where agents work. The result? Higher employee satisfaction, lower attrition, and better adherence rates, all while balancing operational requirements with employee flexibility for a truly modern workforce model. This capability makes workforce planning both efficient and employee-centric, driving long-term engagement and performance. Now, let's explore AI-enabled performance insights, turning data into action for sustainable adherence improvement. Through root cause analysis, AI digs deep into adherence deviations to uncover patterns across specific shifts, agents, or teams. This enables supervisors to identify whether issues stem from scheduling gaps, workload imbalances, or behavioral trends. Next, behavioral prediction models help flag agents at risk of repeated adherence violations. With this foresight, managers can deliver personalized coaching interventions early, preventing small issues from becoming persistent performance gaps. The impact is twofold: data-driven coaching for agents with low adherence today and long-term workforce optimization through trend analysis for future planning. This transforms adherence management from reactive problem-solving to proactive performance improvement. Finally, let's talk about the financial and strategic benefits of using AI to improve schedule adherence. With cost reduction, AI-driven scheduling ensures the right number of agents at the right times, cutting down on both overtime expenses and idle time costs, which often erode operational budgets. Through SLA compliance, consistent agent availability helps avoid penalties from missed service levels, keeping customer commitments intact while maintaining cost efficiency. And with revenue protection, higher adherence levels mean fewer abandoned calls and better customer retention, directly safeguarding top-line growth. In short, AI optimizes workforce performance, strengthens financial outcomes, and ensures strategic alignment between service quality and business goals. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.